Hey guys, in today's video we'll see how to add a drawer in our Flutter application. So let's dive into the code. First of all, we'll add the drawer property to the scaffold of this app and pass a drawer widget to it. If we save this app, you can see drawer icon appears at the top left, and if we press that, a basic drawer opens up. Also, you don't have to do anything special to handle the swipe gestures. Drawer widget will handle that for you. So let's try to add something inside this drawer. So drawer takes in a child property, and inside that we can specify any widget. So I'll add a column here, and inside the column the first thing we'll add is a drawer header, and inside the drawer header we'll set the child as an icon. So basically you can add any kind of widget here. So I'll just add the account circle icon. If we save this code, you'll see that the icon appears. Currently it's too small, so let's try to increase its size. Let's say 150, and if we save this now, you can see now it looks more like a profile picture. The next thing we'll add in this column is a list style, and just for the demonstration purpose I'll increase it to 3, and inside the list style we'll set the text as item 1, item 2 and item 3. So if we save this code, you can see the list styles appear in the drawer. If we click on the items right now, nothing will happen. For that, we'll have to add the on tap property for list styles. So I'll keep them empty for now, and now you can see that we can click on them. The next thing that we'll do is we'll try to change the title inside the body of this scaffold depending on the item clicked. What I'll do is I'll add a string here which will say drawer initially, and I'll change the text to this string. So inside the on tap of all these list styles, we'll do a set state, and inside that we'll change the string to a custom message. So if we now save this code and check in the app, we'll see that depending on the item number that we press, the string changes. So one thing that you'll notice here is even if we click the item, the drawer doesn't go away, it just stays there. So to make the drawer go away as soon as we click any of the item, we'll have to do a navigator pop inside the on tap method for all these list styles. So I'll do a navigator.pop and pass in the current context to it. And now if we save this code, we'll see that if we click on any of the item, the drawer just goes away automatically. Let's say you want to have the drawer on the right side of this scaffold. So for that you'll have to change the drawer property to end drawer, and that's it. Now you will see that your drawer appears from the right side. And let's say you want to change the color that appears on the background when drawer is open. You can set the drawer scrim color to any color that you like. And if you save this code, you'll see that when we open the drawer, the background color changes to the color that you specified. So that was it for drawers. If you like this video, hit the like button. If you disliked it, hit the dislike button. And please subscribe for more such content.